All right. So, the driver's side door, we took it to the tire shop, and we got a big old gash right there. So this tire is a no-go for the Trailblazer. In the meantime, let's go see what's going on over there. Yeah, baby, got it running. Running all right, I guess. She holding. Well, we definitely got a misfire. Yeah. P0300. But last thing I gotta check is to put a tire, find a tire, put it there, and check the transmission. See if it goes through all the shifts. And then, and only then, do we get to detail this mess here. Yeah. So if she shifts right, then we fix the misfire and we clean this mess up. And I'm gonna put a video on that for you guys so you can see it. But for the meantime, enjoy. This is a $150 Trailblazer LS with a misfire. That's all why it's been in storage. That's the only reason they put it in storage, pretty much. There you have it. That's it. So, I'll get me a new battery maybe. Get me a new battery. Fix a couple things in there. Fix the misfire. Clean it up. Check for gears. Check the gears, and we good. I don't want to do it because I don't have a tire. I mean, we could do it, try it out, but we'll see. Latest. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and do what you always do. Hustle. Later.